day one of this project. It's September 9th, 2019, and this is the apple tree. This is the apple tree. Today is September 19th, 2019. The time unknown.
Today is September 30th. It's 53 degrees, and the apple tree has lost some leaves and some apples. Yep.
Today is October 4th, 2019. The weather is 48 degrees and windy. And the apple tree seems to have apples. And it's partly cloudy and sunny.
Today is October 6th. It's 60 degrees, and the apple tree has definitely lost some leaves and a lot of apples. To be continued. Today is October 8th, 54 degrees.
T-minus 2 days till blizzard.
Today is November 2nd. It's 43 degrees outside. And this tree looks like it could have seen better days. It's gone through a snowstorm. And I'm still wearing shorts.
It's November 11th and it's 9 degrees outside. And this tree is dead. And it's boot season.
Today is November 15th. It is currently 40 degrees outside. And this tree is dead. And there you have it, a 3-month observation of how the weather affects the apple tree. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'm out.